do we have here? Okay, class. The pH of a solution containing 0.245 mole of hydrogen fluoride, okay, yang dilarutkan di dalam 500 ml of water, and this is the pH value of the solution obtained. Ya, larutan hydrofluoric acid. Okay, the question is calculate the acid dissociation constant Ka for hydrofluoric acid. Okay, so maksudnya soalan ini you were given the moles dan juga the volume of water, di mana from this mole of HF dan juga volume of water kita boleh kira apa? Kita boleh kira concentration of the hydrofluoric acid solution. Okay, and then dalam soalan ini juga, okay, you were given the pH. Maksudnya daripada pH ni nanti kita boleh kira apa kelas? Kita boleh kira kepekatan ataupun the concentration of hydronium ion. Okay, so that is what we are going to do first. Kita akan start dengan the pH given class. Okay, so kita tahu pH is equals to negative log of concentration of hydronium ion. Okay, and pH was already given in the question, 1.88 equals to negative log of concentration of H3O+, and from here we can calculate the concentration of hydronium ion. So apa you all akan dapat? The value is 0.013 molar. Okay guys, kalau you all masih remember, nilai ini kalau kita masukkan dalam table, jadi actually this value here 0.013 molar ni actually represent the value of X di dalam table. Okay, and then next, what should we do adalah kita akan construct the ice table. So apa? Sebab ini hydrofluoric acid. Remember, hydrofluoric acid is a weak acid. So bila weak acid in water, dia akan slightly ionize into hydronium ion and also fluoride ion. So that's why kita kena construct the ice table. Okay, so kita ada initial, changes and equilibrium concentrations. Okay, so macam biasalah, untuk air kita tak masukkan sebab pure liquid kan. Lagi satu, the ionization of water is very small kan. 1 × 10⁻⁻⁴. Excuse me. So that's why kita boleh abaikan sahaja ionization of water. Okay, and then hydrofluoric acid. So initially berapa dia punya concentration? So based on the given mole dan juga volume of the solution. Okay, so we can calculate kelas kita boleh kira kepekatan dia. Cuba you all kira tu dulu, dapat berapa dia punya molarity dia. Okay, you guys should get this value class. Okay, 0.49 molar. So for those who are still wondering,
sir, mana dapat ni sir 0.49?
Ini dapat datanya daripada, kan dia dah bagi mole, dia dah bagi volume of the solution, volume of water, dan kita akan dapat larutan kan. Jadi bahagilah, jadi mole divide by volume, you akan dapat this 0.49 molar. Okay, and then initially both of these ions, okay, are zero because these two ions belum lagi terhasil because acid itu belum lagi ionized. But once this hydrofluoric acid started to ionize, remember, since dia adalah weak acid, so dia punya ionization is not 100%. Kan, sikit saja. Jadi that's why akan ada changes. So dia akan minus X. So ini pula akan bertambah sebanyak X. Fluoride juga bertambah sebanyak X. So sampai bila benda akan berlaku? Sampai bila? Sampailah di unionized acid dan juga ionized ion yang terhasil ini akan capai equilibrium, and at equilibrium, so this is the concentration of hydrofluoric acid, this is the concentration of hydronium ion, and this is the concentration of fluoride ion. Okay, since kita dah already tahu nilai X, daripada mana tadi? Daripada pH yang kita diberikan tu kan. Awal-awal tadi kan kita dah kira daripada pH kita boleh dapatkan kepekatan hydronium ion. So since the value also represent X, jadi maksudnya fluoride pun samalah 0.013 molar. And then untuk kita nak kira untuk hydrofluoric acid 0.49 minus X, maksudnya apa? 0.49 minus 0.013. So that's why we are going to get 0.477. Okay, and then kita kena buat apa kelas? Sebab kita nak kira KA kan? Okay, kita tahu sekarang ni KA ataupun the acid dissociation constant for hydrofluoric acid is equals to, okay, concentration of hydronium times concentration of fluoride divided by concentration of hydrofluoric acid. Since kita dah tahu ketiga-tiga nilai ni, so you just substitute je lah. Substitute ketiga-tiga values ni into this KA expression. So kita akan dapat 0.013 squared. Okay, kenapa squared? Because 0.013 times 0.013 divided by 0.477. Okay, and then you kira ni, solve for this. And finally class, you are going to get this answer. Okay, so dah dia. Okay, the KA value for hydrofluoric acid.